Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. Don't you just love when your children choose something unexpected to wear? My daughter is a neutral lover through and through, and I was so surprised when she chose this solar flare color for her snowsuit this year by Arctix. These bibs kept her warm and dry on our snowboarding trip. One of the things that I loved about these bibs is that you can actually choose the inseam size. This is something that I feel every woman struggles with, is getting it to fit just right. So we got her the extra small with the 31-inch inseam, and it was a perfect fit for her. This bright yellow made it really easy to keep track of her on the slopes. She did choose a snow camo coat, so I was worried if she went down, I wouldn't be able to find her. But since she was wearing these, she was so easy to spot. I also liked that the bottom of the leg, you can make it wider so it flares out. She was able to fit them over her snowboarding boots this way. So if you're looking for the perfect snowsuit, whether you want super bright highlighter yellow or you want something a little more tame, then Arctic X is the way to go. But that's just my point of view.